Hello student, good morning. I am Dr.A.K Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. Last class I have discussed question up to 163. I was discussing multiple choice questions selected from competitive examination. Actually all questions are based on chapter 1. Chapter 1 means atom, molecules, molecular weight, equivalent weight, etc. Now I will continue from question number 164. Now I am reading the question. How many moles of Ki are required to produce 0.4 moles of K2HgI4? Again I am reading the question. How many moles of Ki are required to produce 0.4 moles of K2HgI4? First option is 0.4. Second option is 0.8. Third option is 3.2. Fourth option is 1.6. First option is 0.4. Second option is 0.8. Third option is 3.2. Fourth option is 1.6. Just to think, question is not difficult. But for this question, just to solve this question, you have to write one reaction. Only then it is possible. Here, question is how many moles of Ki are required to produce 0.4 moles of K2HgI4. Then it's a first option. First option is 0.4, second option is 0.8, third option 3.2, fourth option 1.6. Its correct option is option B, 0.8. 0.8. Okay, how? Now I am telling you. Okay, explanation I am telling you. You have to write the reaction first. How actually you will get K2HgI4? Then you will get K2HgI4 by the reaction 2Ki plus HgI2. 2Ki plus HgI2, mercuric iodide. You will get K2HgI4. This is a balanced reaction. 2Ki plus HgI2, you will get K2HgI4. Then here 2 moles of Ki. From the 2 moles of Ki, you will get 1 mole of K2HgI4. Then for this 0.4 moles of K2HgI4, how much Ki are required? How many moles? Then very easy way, now you can calculate. For 1 mole K2HgI4, you required 2 moles Ki. Then for 0.8 moles, for 0.4 moles, K2HgI4, you will require just double, 0.8 moles. Okay, then 0.4 moles K2HgI4, you require 0.8 mole of Ki. By the reaction it is clear. Hence its correct option is B, 0.8 moles of Ki. This question was asked in MSET. Okay. Now next question I am reading. The number of water molecules in 1 liter of water is first option 18, second option 18 into 1000, third option Na, fourth option 55.55 Na. Na means Avogadro number. First option is 18, second option is 18 into 1000, fourth option is Na means Avogadro number, and fourth option is 55.55 Na. Question is the number of water molecules in 1 liter of water. Number of water molecules means H2O in 1 liter of water. Just you think, it is also easy. You can solve it easily. Okay. Here you know that 1 liter H2O means 1000 cc. 1 liter H2O is equal to 1000 cc. And 1000 cc means you can tell 1000 gram. 1000 gram if density is equal to 1. Density we know, density is equal to mass by volume. But at normal temperature and pressure, D is equal to 1. Then density is equal to mass by volume. Hence what is the mass? That is the volume. Or what is the volume? That is the mass. Means 1 liter H2O means 1000 cc means 1000 gram water. Then 1 mole of H2O means what? 18 gram. 18 gram means 1 mole. Correct? Means and in 1 mole how many molecule? Then Avogadro number. In 18 gram H2O means 18 gram means 1 mole of H2O, and 18 gram means also you can tell Avogadro number. 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number of molecules. Means 18 gram of H2O is equal to Na molecules. Na Avogadro number. Then for 1000 gram H2O, easily you can calculate 18 gram H2O is equal to Na. Then for 1, then for 1000. Then you will get Na divided by 18 into upside 1000. After solving you will get 55.55 Na molecules. Correct? 55.55 Na molecules. Hence its correct answer is option D, 55.55. 55.55. Okay. This question was also asked in MSET examination. Now next question I am reading. The number of gram molecules of oxygen in 6.02 into 10 to the power 24 CO molecules is first option 10 gram molecules, second option 5 gram molecules, third option 1 gram molecules, fourth option 0.5 gram molecules. Again I am reading the question, listen carefully. The number of gram molecules of oxygen in 6.02 into 10 to the power 24 CO molecules, carbon monoxide molecules is, first option is 10 gram molecules, second 5 gram molecules, third 1 gram molecules, fourth 0.5 gram molecules. This is also not difficult, just less in, you can solve it within 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Okay, you have to calculate number of gram molecules of oxygen in 6.02 into 10 to the power 24 CO molecules, carbon monoxide. Think, easily you can solve it. Okay, you know that 6.02 into 10 to the power 24 CO molecules, that is equal to 10 moles of CO. It is 24, 10 into 10, 24. Okay, then 6.02 into 10 to the power 24 CO molecules means 10 moles of CO, and that is equal to 10 gram atom of oxygen, CO. One oxygen is there, one atom of oxygen. Then in one mole, one gram atom of oxygen is there. Then in 10 mole, 10 gram atom of O. Then 10 gram atoms of O means how many molecules? How many molecules? 10 gram atoms. Then 5 gram molecules of O2. Question is very good. It is not asking only atoms. It is asking molecules of O2. Then 10 gram atoms of O means 5 gram molecules of O2. Okay, correct? And its correct answer is option B, 5 gram molecules. Okay. Now next question I am reading. The number of means question number 167. 167. The number of oxygen atoms. Actually, this question was asked, what I discussed now, in IIT. This question was asked in IIT. Now, next question I am asking, and this question is asked in medical, CBSE medical. Now I am reading question number 167. The number of oxygen atoms in 4.4 gram of CO2 is approx. First option is 1.2 into 10 to the power 23. Second option is 6 into 10 to the power 22. Third option is 6 into 10 to the power 23. And fourth option is 12 into 10 to the power 22. Actually, fourth option is written wrong because this 12 into 20 to 10, 12 into 10 to the power 23 is written, but it is not correct option. It is actually 10 to the power 22. Okay. Then now this question is very easy. You can solve it. This question is asked in medical. First you solve, then you will get automatically you will get any one option you will get. Okay, what answer you will get, that is the correct answer. It is there. Okay. Then now just this question you can solve very easily. That you know that 44 gram of CO2 means 1 mole. 44 gram CO2 means 1 mole CO2. But in question it is a 4.4 means 1/10. It means 0.1 mole CO2. Then 1 mole CO2 means Avogadro number. Then 0.1 means 1 0 will go. It will be 6 into 10 to the power 22. Okay. 6 into 10 to the power 22. Okay. Then here it's a correct answer will be what? 6 into 10 to the power 22 means atom you have to tell. This is the molecules of O2, molecules of CO2. Question is CO2. Okay, question was the number of oxygen atoms in 4.4 gram of CO2. Okay, then in one CO2 2 atoms are there, don't forget. Then now you have calculated CO2 total number of molecules, that is a 6 into 10 to the power 20. It was 23, but for 0.1 mole it will be 1 0 less, means 6 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Then in one molecule 2 oxygen is there. Then total number of atoms of oxygen will be, just to multiply by 2 into 6 into 10 to the power 22, means 12 into 22. Then this option actually is a fourth option. It was given wrong, but because one option is 1.2 into 10 to the power 23, that is the wrong. And because 1.2 into 10 to the power 23 means what? It will be this here some problem option. Here you have to tell the number of oxygen atoms. Then first option is 1.2 into 10 to the power 23, means it will come 12 into 10 to the power 22. Correct? It will come 12 into 10 to the power 22. This is also correct in indirect way. 1.2 into 10 to the power 23. Then you can write the same way. It will come answer 12 into 10 to the power 22. This may be the correct. What is given in question, this is correct. And actually this is the answer in real sense. And second option is 6 into 10 to the power 22. That is wrong. Third option is 6 into 10 to the power 23. That is again wrong. Fourth option is 12 into 10 to the power 23. Then this is also wrong. Hence correct option is A only. Correct option is A. That is a 1.2 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Correct option is 1.2 into 10 to the power 23. First option only. All things are okay. Fourth option is 23. That's why it is not possible. It is wrong. Okay. His correct option is first 1.2 into 10 to the power 23. Now, actually this question was asked in CBSE medical. Now next question I am telling you. Boron has 2 stable isotopes, 10B 19% and 11B 81%. The atomic mass that should appear for boron in the periodic table is. This also you can solve within 1 minute. The boron B10 is 19%, and boron 11, that is the 81%. That is actually mass number. Mass number is given. Then 10, one isotope is means B10, that is the 19%, and B11 is 81%. You have to calculate the atomic mass that should appear for boron in the periodic table. Okay. Then its correct option What is the correct option you have to select? It is given. First option is 10.8. Second option is 10.2. Third option is 11.2. Fourth option is 10.0. You think and answer easily, you can solve. This question is also asked in CBSE PMT. Okay. Now you solve it. It is easy to solve. Its correct answer is 10.8. 10.8. How? Then it is very easy to solve. 19 into 10. First isotope, its percentage is 19. B10, 19. Then 19 into 10 plus second isotopes, that is B11. It is 81%. Then 81 into 11. Add both and divide by 100. Okay. Then you will get 10.81. 10.81 means 19 into 10, 190, plus 81 into 11, divided by, just add all, 19 into 10, 190, plus 81 into 11, both you add. After that you divide by 100, it will come 10.81. Its correct option is 10.8, option A, 10.8. Now next question I am telling you, 169. The molecular weight of O2 and SO2 are 32 and 64 respectively. At 15 degree centigrade and 150 mm Hg pressure, 1 liter of O2 contains a capital N molecules. The number of molecules in 2 liter of SO2 under the same condition of temperature and pressure will be. First option is N by 2. Second option is N. Third option is 2N. Fourth option is 4N. Okay, this is also easy, full of concept. This question is also asked in CBSE medical examination. Again I am reading one more time question. The molecular weight of O2 and SO2 are 32 and 64 respectively. At 15 degrees centigrade and 150 mm Hg pressure, 1 liter of O2 contains N molecules, not moles, N molecules. The number of molecules in 2 liter of SO2 under the same condition of temperature and pressure will be. First option N by 2, second option is N, third option is 2N, fourth option is 4N. Okay, one more time I am reading the question. Listen carefully. The molecular weight of O2 and SO2 are 32 and 64 respectively. At 15 degrees centigrade and 150 mm Hg pressure, 1 liter of O2 contains N molecules. The number of molecules in 2 liter of SO2 under the same condition of temperature and pressure will be. First option is N by 2, second is N, third is 2N, fourth is 4N. Now solve it. Quickly you can solve. In 10 seconds you can solve it. Think. Actually 1 liter explanation I am telling you. 1 liter of one gas contains N molecules. Then 2 liter of any gas under the same condition will contain 2N. Very simple way. 1 liter of one gas contains N molecules. then 2 liter of any gas under the same condition will contain double 2n. Okay, hence 2n is correct answer, means option C is correct. Okay, next question I am reading now. 170, question number 170. The weight of 1 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of copper sulfate 5H2O is. First option 41.59 gram. Second option 415.9 gram. Third option 4.159 gram. Fourth option none of these. Again one more time, question I am reading. The weight of 1 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of CuSO4 5H2O is. First option 41.59 gram. Second 415.9 gram. Third 4.159 gram. Fourth none of these. This also you can solve it easily. Okay, just to think. It will take less than 1 minute time. Okay, just to think. It's a correct option is 4.159 gram. 4.159 gram. How? Then now I am telling you. Avogadro number molecules of copper sulfate 5H2O. That you have to first calculate molecular weight. Molecular weight of CuSO4 5H2O you calculate. Then Cu is equal to 63.5. Sulfur is equal to 32. And oxygen CuSO4, then 16 into 4, 64. And 5H2O water is attached. That also you have to add. Plus 5 into 18. H2O means 18. 16 plus 2, 18. And 5H2O, 5 into 18 means 90. All you add, you will get 249.5 gram. This is the molecular weight of copper sulfate 5H2O. Correct? Means Avogadro number weight is 249.5 gram, means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules is equal to 249.5 gram. Then you can calculate for 10 to the power 22 you have to calculate. Then 10 to the power 20 molecules of copper sulfate 5H2O. Its mass will be 249.5 divided by Avogadro number and multiplied by 10 to the power 22 upside. Then after solving you will get 4.15. Okay. Then for 10 to the power 22 molecules of copper sulfate 5H2O, its mass will be 4.15. Okay, means option C is correct. 4.159 it is written. That will come. Okay, 4.159 is a correct option. Next question I am reading. The sulfate of a metal M, capital M. The sulfate of a metal M. Actually, this question what I told you, copper sulfate 5H2O, that question was asked in IIT. Now next question 171 I am telling you now. The sulfate of metal M contains 9.87% of metal. This sulfate is isomorphous with Zn-SO4 7H2O. The atomic weight of M is. First option 40.3. Second option 36.3. Third option 24.3. Fourth option 11.3. Again one more time I am reading the question. The sulfate of a metal M contains 9.87% of M. This sulfate is isomorphous with ZnSO4 7H2O. The atomic weight of M is: first option 40.3, second option 36.3, third option 24.3, and fourth option 11.3. Just you think. This also you can solve it within 1 minute. This question is asked in IIT. Okay. Now just to think. Its correct option is, correct answer I am telling you, that is the C, 24.3. 24.3 is a correct answer. How? Then I am now explanation I am telling you why 24.3. As the given sulfate is isomorphous with ZnSO4 7H2O, its formula should be MSO4 7H2O, same number of water molecules, because it is isomorphous. It is given isomorphous with ZnSO4 7H2O. Then it means that that sulfate will be MSO4 7H2O. Correct? If M is the atomic weight of if M is the atomic weight of M, a small m, you consider the atomic weight of metal M, then molecular weight of MSO4 7H2O will be what? A small m plus 32 MSO4, that molecular weight you are adding. Then a small m you have to calculate atomic weight. Then m plus 32 plus 64, because MSO4, S is 32 and O4 is 64, plus 7H2O, that is the 126. 7 into 18, that is the 126. Then if after adding you will get M, you have to calculate. Then M plus 222 you will get. All value are knowing except M, small m. Then M plus 222. Okay. Then now just you have calculated these things, molecular weight you calculated, M plus 222. Then now percentage of M is given. Percentage of metal is given. That is 9.87. It is given. You have to calculate a small m. Then easily you can calculate that in M plus 222 m gram metal is there. Then for 1, then for 100. In M plus 222 m gram metal is there. Then for 1, then for 100. Then you will get these things after solving, that is given already 9.87%. Then after solving, after doing cross multiplication, you will get that is the M is equal to 24.3. A small m means atomic mass, you will get 24.3. After solving, after doing cross multiplication, means m divided by m plus 222 into 100, that is equal to 9.87. Then just by cross multiplication you will get the value of m, 24.3, and its correct option is C. Okay, C is 24.3. This question was asked in IIT. One more question I want to discuss. Next question I am reading 172. H2 evolved at STP on complete reaction of 27 gram of aluminum with excess of aqueous NOH would be first option 22.4, second option 44.8, third option 67.2, fourth option 33.6 liters. Again one more time I am reading the question. H2, hydrogen gas I am talking about. H2 evolved at STP on complete reaction of 27 gram of aluminum with excess of aqueous NOH would be first option, which how much H2? That first option is 22.4, second option 44.8, third option 67.2, fourth option 33.6 liter, all are in liter. Okay, just to solve it. Actually this question is also easy. You can solve it within 1 minute. 30 seconds is sufficient. Okay. And this question is asked in medical CPMT. Okay. Then now you think you will get answer quickly. Its correct option is this 33.6 liter. 33.6 liter, option D. How? Then now I am explaining you. Okay, question is not difficult. You know, actually for this you have to write the reaction between aluminum and NOH. That reaction first you have to write, or if you are knowing then no problem, because this reaction is common reaction. Then aluminum plus NOH plus 2H2O, its form actually 2NaAlO2 plus 3H2. See here, balanced equation is 2Al plus 2NOH plus 2H2O. You will get 2NaAlO2 plus 3H2, means the 3 mole of H2 you are getting from the 2 atom of aluminum. Then aluminum, that is 27, it is given atomic mass 27 gram they have written. 27 gram means atomic mass of aluminum, you know. Then here 2 into 2Al is giving 3H2. After writing the balance equation, you will know that 2Al is giving 3H2. Then 2Al means 2 into 27 gram gives 3H2, means 3 mole, means 3 into 22.4 liter. Then 27 gram, how much it will give? Then this half of this 27 gram of aluminum will give 33.6 liter. Okay, because 2 into 27 is giving 3 into 22.4 liter. Correct? Then for 1, then for 27. Simply means half of this 3 into 22, that is roughly 66. 66 divided by 2, 33. Means exact will come 33.6 liter. Hence correct option is last option D, 33.6 liter. Okay. This question was asked in medical examination, CPMT. Today I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Many questions are there. All questions are asked in this competitive examination, either in IIT, medical, or AF, All India Institute of Medical Science, AIMS. It is a mix actually. Okay, and all questions are now discussing based on the, you can say, first chapter, fundamental chapter, you can tell. Okay, thank you.